Dear students, I am continuing my screen recording. This is screen recording 2 under introductory aspect of INT AS. In this video, I am covering financial reporting and its importance. In any industry, whether manufacturing or service, we have multiple departments to achieve organizational goals. Different departments of the concern should work together to fulfill the organizational goals. The functioning of these departments may or may not be interdependent, but at the end of the day, they are linked together by one common thread, that is accounting and finance department. That means all departments are linked to finally accounting and finance department. The accounting and finance aspect of each and every department are recorded and are reported to various stakeholders. There are two types of reporting. One is financial reporting for various stakeholders, and the other one is management reporting for internal management of an organization. Both these reporting are important and are integral part of accounting and reporting system of an organization. So there are two types of reporting. One serves external people, including the shareholders, that is various types of stakeholders, including shareholders. Whereas the other type of reporting helps the management for internal management. Both these reporting are important and are integral part of accounting and reporting system of an organization. But considering the number of stakeholders involved and statutory and other regulatory requirements, financial reporting to outsiders, that is financial reporting, is very important and critical task of an organization. Financial reporting is the vital part of corporate governance. Let's discuss about various aspects of financial reporting in the following paragraphs. Financial reporting involves the disclosure of financial information to various stakeholders about the financial performance and financial position of an organization over a specified period of time. These stakeholders include investors, that is shareholders, creditors, public, debt providers, that is loan providers including financial institutions, governments, and government agencies, that is regulatory bodies. In case of listed companies, the frequency of financial reporting is quarterly and annual. That is, a listed company is required to submit its financial reporting annually and in addition quarterly also. Financial reporting is usually considered as end product of accounting. That is, at the end of the accounting process, financial reporting is prepared, balance sheet, etc. The typical components of financial reporting are financial statements includes balance sheet, profit and loss account, cash flow statement, and statement of changes in stockholders' equity. That is, each share the changes in the share capital at the beginning compared to at the end. The notes to financial statements, quarterly and annual reports, that is in case of listed companies. Prospectus, in case of companies going for initial public offers, that is IPOs. Management discussions and analysis along with the financial statements in case of public companies. The government and the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, ICAI, have issued various accounting standards and guidelines notes which are applied for the purpose of financial reporting. The regulatory body, one of the regulatory bodies, Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, have issued various accounting standards that should be observed by companies, and also there are guidance that should be observed by companies while reporting its financial statements. This ensures uniformity across various diversified industries when they prepare and present their financial statements, because almost all the companies in India are required to observe certain set of standards prescribed by Institute of Chartered Accountants of India under the head IND AS, Indian Accounting Standards. The objectives of financial reporting. Accounting to international reporting. According to International Accounting Standards Board, IASB, the objective of financial reporting is to provide information about financial position, performance, and changes in financial position of an enterprise that is useful to a wide range of users in making economic decisions. So accounting reporting helps various stakeholders with regarding understanding the financial position and performance and changes in the financial position. The following points some of the objectives and purposes of financial reporting. It provides information to management of an organization which is used for the purpose of planning, analysis, benchmarking and decision making. The internal management make use of the financial reports for its planning and analysis of its performance and comparing with the performance of other companies in the sector, and also to take decisions based on the financial statements. Providing information to investors, promoters, debt providers, that is including financial companies or banks, and creditors, which is used to enable them to make rational and prudent decisions regarding investment, credit, etc. Whether to invest, whether to hold the investment, whether to grant credits, etc. Providing information to shareholders and public at large in case of listed companies about various aspects of an organization. The financial statements help the shareholders to take decisions with regarding making investment or holding decisions, etc. Providing information about economic resources of an organization, claims to those resources, liabilities and owner's equity, that is understanding the balance sheet, assets and liabilities, and how these resources and claims have undergone change over a period of time, whether the company is growing or showing underperformance, etc. Providing information as to how an organization is procuring and using various resources. Providing information to various stakeholders regarding the performance of management of an organization as to how diligently or prudently and ethically they are discharging their fiduciary, that is financial duties and responsibilities. Financial statements help the stakeholders to understand how the performance of the management is there over a period of time. Providing information to statutory auditors, which in turn facilitates audit. The financial statements and other accounting books helps the statutory auditor to audit or verify the accounting processes. Enhancing social welfare by looking into the interest of employees, trade unions, and government. Importance of financial reporting. Financial reporting is required for each and every stakeholder for multiple reasons and purposes. The following points highlights why financial reporting framework is important. It highlights why financial reporting framework is important. It helps an organization to comply with the various statutes and regulatory requirements. The organizations are required to file financial statements to ROC, Register of Companies, and government agencies. In case of listed companies, quarterly as well as annual results are required to be filed to stock exchanges and published. It facilitates statutory audit, that is, financial statements will be submitted to statutory auditor, and it helps the statutory auditor to verify the accounting process. The statutory auditors are required to audit the financial statements of an organization to express their opinions. Statutory auditor will make the comments with regarding how the financial statements are prepared and how the calculations are made, etc. Financial reports forms backbone for financial planning, analysis, benchmarking and decision making by the internal people, that is the management. These are used for above purposes by various stakeholders also. Financial reporting helps organization to raise capital both domestic as well as overseas. Financial reporting prepared under the given standards, that is in India for example prepared under Ind AS by applying international standard. Ind AS actually comparable to IFRS, International Financial Reporting Standard, and that's why it helps to raise capital not only domestically but it also helps to raise capital overseas from other countries. On the basis of financials, the public can analyze the performance of organization as well as its management. So financials can be understood, the performance of the management can be understood by referring to financial statements which are prepared under a set of standards. For the purpose of bidding, labor contract, government supplies, etc., organizations are required to furnish their financial reports and statements to prove their abilities and their financial capabilities. So we can conclude from the above points that financial reporting is very important from various stakeholders' point of view. Financial reporting, which contains reliable and relevant information based on a set of standards, are used by multiple stakeholders for various purposes. A sound and robust financial reporting system across industries promotes good competition and also facilitates capital inflows. This in turn helps in economic development. I will end up this screen recording, and in next screen recording I will continue with some more aspects of introductory aspect relating to Ind AS. Thank you.